companies. The pre-opening dates are about to hit us, but you know what? The one of the sectors of the day today, because of news, is going to be IT. Accenture reported strong set of Q2 earnings. They've also raised the guidance. How should that impact the Indian IT landscape? We asked Sandeep Agarwal of Edelweiss Securities. Sandeep, of course, has been one of the big bulls on Indian IT and has been calling for a big re-rating on some of the IT names. So, Sandeep, good morning. So, Accenture numbers once again reiterate your positive view. What's the call now on the large cap Indian IT?
Yeah, thanks. Good morning. So, the call remains same. I think your Accenture numbers and the commentary and the way the management spoke, and also the factual data on outsourcing, the growth of 11% year over year, and raising of guidance by 200 basis points is a huge number. From 4 to 6% to 6.5 to 8.5, and also margin expansion guidance along with that from 14.8, 15 range earlier to 15.1. I think these are all clear signs of a very big upcycle. And, I was on the call. I did not find a single comment on any vertical geography or business segment which looks to be in pain for more than 3 months. Means even if there is a pain, there is a temporary pain which will, recover very quickly. We have to remember that, there was little underperformance on Europe, but Europe is still, large parts of Europe are under lockdown. So, consultancy doesn't recover so fast. So the number to look always in Accenture is outsourcing, and outsourcing numbers are tremendously strong, I would say. I think, our upcycle call remains, and I get more and more confidence every quarter the way things are playing out. And I believe that, it will be at least a 3-year cycle, in my view, unless, some big thing happens on the data security side or something on the hyperscaler side. Otherwise, I think this cycle has to continue in this way.
Oh, yes, of course. After COVID, a cyber attack cannot be ruled out. But Sandeep, after looking at the Accenture numbers, have you upped this year's earnings or next year's earnings for the companies that you cover?
See, I have not changed my numbers, Lata, because, my numbers are already substantially higher than the street. Not now, from June itself, our numbers are very, very high. Our margins are broadly 200 basis points higher than the consensus for most of our coverage companies. And our view is that whatever was the Q3 margin, that will be minimum sustainable margin for next 2-3 years. And that margin is actually 200 basis points higher than the street numbers today for FY22 and 23. So I think we don't have to upgrade our numbers, but the commentaries which have come and the way results are panning out, I'm sure there will be big upgrade for the consensus for the next few quarters. And it has happened in last 3 quarters. I think another 6-7 quarters we will see continuous upgrades or maybe more.
Okay, Sandeep, hi, morning. I just had 2 questions here. At what stage of the upcycle do you think we are in? Because this has been a big outperforming sector, at least for the last 2 years. I mean, 1.5 years ago is when this big rally actually began. Do you think we're at the mature stage of the upcycle? And do you think this space has become a bit over-owned and overcrowded? Or do you think there's still a lot more potential?
So, very good question. Actually, if you see, the whole technology disruption cycle is getting shortened. So earlier there used to be disruption after 10 years, then 7 years, and I think this time it will be 5 years. And as you rightly said, if COVID would not have happened, we would have been in the 3rd year of the cycle. So maybe 1 or 2 years more was there. But what has happened because of the COVID, everything has come back to square one. So I would say that of the 5-year cycle in which, first 1.5 years are very bad for Indian players because they have to train their workforce in the new technology. That phase has gone, and the good phase, which is generally of 3.5 years, that has got reset again from the last 1 or 2 quarters. So we have got back those 6 quarters which were lost earlier in the bull cycle. So I would say that the mature phase has just started again. If COVID would not have happened, we would have been in middle of mature phase.
Okay. Just to conclude this conversation, therefore, Sandeep, what is the hierarchy of your buys and price targets?
So see, our hierarchy from little high risk and high return perspective in large cap remains HCL, Infosys, TCS for quite some time. We like Wipro and TCM also, but the hierarchy is HCL, Infosys and TCS. But if someone is willing to take low risk with little low return, then we will suggest TCS, Infosys, HCL in that order. In the mid cap, we continue to believe that Mindtree and LTI will create same value what Infosys and TCS has generated in next 10 to 15 years. So they are our long-term structural calls. The target prices are much higher than the current levels. TCS is 4,200, Infosys is 2,200 approximately, and HCL Tech is also around 1,500. So the target prices are way higher than where we are today.
Okay,
yes, we can
we'll leave
see
it there
that.
today. Sandeep, thanks a lot for joining us. Well, as of now, the pre-opening rates indicate that there's not too much of enthusiasm in the IT stocks. Only HCL Tech is seeing a bit of a buying, but apart from that, not too much.
I don't know how much to read into these rates simply because